In this video, we will describe the 4 major reasons why going solar is beneficial for a residential homeowner. 1. Save on high electric bill. Switching to solar power will help you to get rid from the worry of high electric bills. You can enjoy savings either it's summer or any other weather with solar. 2. Increase your home value. Your home value will instantly increase up to 4% if you have solar panels installed. Also, nowadays people attract more towards a solar-powered home, so selling a home with solar is easier now. 3. Get 26% investment tax credit. You will receive 26% investment tax credit if you shift to solar in 2022. This percentage is expected to go down in the coming years, so hurry up and plan your solar installation immediately to enjoy 26% ITC. 4. Solar renewable energy resources are enviro-friendly. Solar is a clean and green energy resource, and it has no harmful impacts on the environment, like other traditional power generation resources. So, going solar means you are participating in saving Earth's natural resources. Overall, going solar is totally a beneficial decision for a homeowner. What are you waiting for? Hurry up! Make a decision of going solar and enjoy all the perks of having a solar home for future. Thank you for watching. Give a thumb up if you liked the video and please subscribe Solar SME YouTube channel for more useful solar content.